scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Momentum problems can be tricky, but we will solve this system graph in seconds. Let's find the total magnitude after 8 seconds right now. First, let the mass of each identical object be m. At time 0, the graph shows velocities of 3 and -1. Adding these gives a total initial momentum of 2m. Next, look at the velocities at 8 seconds. We see values of 2 and -4/3. Adding these results in a final system momentum magnitude of 2/3 m total. Finally, we compare our values. Since 2m equals p0, 2/3 m must be 5/3 of p0. That makes option B our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given data and check your steps.